Ever dreamt of seamlessly collaborating with your team on your Unreal Engine masterpieces without the fear of losing your hard work? Let's dive into linking your UE4 projects with GitHub, the industry standard for version control. First, you'll need a GitHub account, and you should initialize a repository on GitHub that matches your project. This virtual home is where your project's journey begins, or a project that has been created already. Now, it's time to integrate Git large file storage, or Git LFS. This is crucial because Unreal Engine projects are packed with large files, like textures and models. It should be installed on your machine from the Git LFS's website. We need to configure Git LFS with important settings, a Git LFS install in your command line for your local project. Then, navigate your command line to your local project folder to track different file types with Git LFS track. Next, in Unreal Engine, create a gitignore to specify which files shouldn't be tracked, like intermediate and save folders. Then, create and push the updated files to your GitHub, which is the critical last step of the integration. Then, start pushing changes to GitHub to get the project uploaded and to synchronize with your collaborators. Congratulations, you've successfully linked your Unreal Engine project with GitHub. Now, you and your team can collaborate efficiently, track changes, and safeguard your progress.